Last words of a dying tree. My body is bare from wear and tear. A victim I am of the ravages of man.
Of the ravages of man.
I wonder why the earth we can't share, as I struggle and survive as best as I can. Bereft of leaves, they call me a tree. All cut and shorn, I'm used for fire.
Used for fire.
No one grieves for poor little me. I'm even lit for the ceremonial pyre. I breathe the air that he exhales. Provide the cover and give him shade. Protect him from storms and gales.
Storms and gales.
Driven by greed, of what is he made? Shelter I give to both man and beast. Treetop homes for children to play. My boughs there under which to feast, and happiness find along life's way. Apples and oranges, pears and berries, fruits galore and lots of cherries.
Lots of cherries.
Rosewood isn't a flower, I know, but blossoms you need to set you aglow. I'd feel sorry, and wouldn't you, if the woodpecker didn't have wood to chew? Where, then, would the eagles perch if I was destroyed and they in the lurch?
If I was destroyed and they in the lurch.
Forests provide the resting place. Where would lions, tigers and panthers be? The cover to cats to hide their face. They'd be extinct if it wasn't for me.
Extinct if it wasn't for me.
Carbon footprints and emission control.
Carbon footprints.
You think you're master, and I have no role. Nothing's further from the truth. You're looking at parts. You've forgotten the whole. Don't listen to me and you will see melting snows and lands made fallow.
And lands made fallow.
Who then will protect both you and me from the effects of minds that are far too shallow? Would someone please to man explain no place for him without me? Why does he want self-inflicted pain and not heed the last words of a dying tree?
Last words of a dying tree.
For you to sit in the shade, I must survive the day.